So, you are also planning to attend a function or a party or maybe a wedding, and you are going to be dressed up in such kind of attire, maybe in western, or you're gonna wear a lehenga or a sari, but you're still confused which makeup products to buy and which makeup look to create. Then here, look after this video here, where I'm not only going to create a makeup look for all of you which goes with all types of attire, but I am also going to create a makeup look which goes really very well in all types of functions. You can wear and embrace this makeup look in all the functions, be it wedding or any sort of party. I'm gonna also explain you step by step all the product details, and I'm also going to share the product details in the description box below. One thing here which I want to mention, that I have bought all the products from Amazon in their Great Indian Festival sale. Now, as you know, Amazon always is the biggest platform of your daily requirement, or maybe your makeup or fashion or any kind of requirement. All the products related to skincare, hair care, makeup, clothes, everything could be bought at Amazon at a very high discounted price. This makeup look I have created using a set of products which I have bought from Amazon at a very great and discounted price. I'm going to show you the detail about all the products right now in my video, along with all the links. So guys, please stay tuned and follow all the steps. The very first thing which I apply on my face after face wash is primer. Now this is the primer by Swiss Beauty. This is how it looks. This is how its packing look. So as you can see, it comes with both primer and foundation. I have bought this pack for myself according to my skin tone. I'm going to use its primer first on all over my face, and then I'm going to move on to the next product. The texture of this primer is very good. It is in a gel format, so it doesn't lead to any kind of greasiness, and it also helps you to prevent all your makeup products to go inside your skin, and it creates a kind of barrier on your face before you apply all makeup products. So as I always recommend all my clients and all my friends and all my viewers to always apply primer before applying any other makeup product. So the second product after primer is the correction, or let's say the concealer. So this is the concealer pack which I have bought from the Swiss Beauty itself. It has got beautiful and amazing 8 colors, 8 shades. Now I'm going to use this orange corrector on my dark circles, and I'm going to use this shade specifically in order to hide all my dark spots and pigmentation. Now as you can see, I'm done with my concealing. I'm going to move next on to applying foundation, and for that I'm going to use again the same foundation which I have shown you previously, the Swiss Beauty Beautiful Primer Cum Foundation Pack. I'm going to use this foundation on all over my face after having my concealer and corrector. So as you can see, this is the glowing and the perfect natural makeup base which I have created from only 2 products by Swiss Beauty, by this concealer palette and this foundation and primer. After foundation, I'm going to set my foundation using this face powder by Swiss Beauty. Now this is the pack. This comes in this pack, and it has got one powder puff as well. You just need to open this like this, and yeah, ta-da, you go. So it has the powder in it. You just have to take off few and set your foundation using the same. So after setting my foundation using this beautiful Swiss Beauty face powder, I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I'm gonna use 2 products by Swiss Beauty. I'm gonna this time use its blue eyeliner as kajal, and I'm gonna use its pen eyeliner on the top of my lashes. Moving next in my makeup regime is that I'm gonna set my eyebrows using this very beautiful, eyebrow styling gel by Swiss Beauty. The best part of this is that it is very affordable. It comes with these two little tools. This one, as you can see, is a brush, and this one is actually a razor. If in case your eyebrows are not done, you can use this razor in order to remove the unwanted hair and trim your eyebrow. And then after trimming it, you can just set your eyebrows using this very beautiful, cute styling gel. I'm gonna show you how it looks from inside. Now this is the pack, and when you take it off, it looks like this. Now how you have to use this is you have to take few amount of the same on your brush, and then you just have to set your eyebrows like this. I am not applying any kind of eyeliner eyebrow pencil, because as you can see that I've already got naturally thick and black eyebrow, so I don't require any other extra color to set off my eyebrow, and you can see how defined my eyebrows are looking. One tip I would like to give you here: sometimes you can see there are women who have got naturally very beautiful eyelashes as well, and they do not prefer to use any kind of fake eyelashes. So in that case, you can use the same gel in order to set your eyelash, because sometimes what happens is that the girl or that woman doesn't want to apply black mascara on their eyebrows. So if you do not want to apply any mascara, then you can apply this gel like this on your eyelash to just make sure that your eyelashes also are defined and appear long. To give myself a sort of a rosy look, I'm gonna use some tint on my cheeks, blush on my cheek. I'm going to use the same blush using my finger on the top of my eye, just to create a little bit of pinky shade on my eye. The last step which I follow in my base makeup regime is the correct shade of lipstick. So as you can see on the screen that nowadays Amazon is also giving a video option wherein you can choose which shade is going with your face on the app itself. For that, you just have to upload your picture and you have to select the shade, and then using this very beautiful video tool, you can actually decide which shade to go for. I have chosen this bold set from the brand Sugar. This is the pack which I have bought from Amazon at a very good price. This comes in this pack of 3 lipsticks, bold shades, and this also comes with a very cute sharpener. So these are the 3 shades which I have bought from Amazon, and I'm gonna apply this shade on my lips. This time I'm gonna apply only one shade in order to show you the swatch for the same, how it is going on my face. So this is the shade which I have chosen for myself, and this is how I look and complete my look with this amazing shade of Sugar Mini lipsticks. All these products I have bought from Amazon in their Great Indian Festival sale. So whatever products you're gonna buy from Amazon, it's going to be all at discounted prices. Last but not the least, when I go out, I also want myself to smell good. And I generally prefer the fragrances which comes in the form of perfumes which are made for men. Yes. So usually you must have seen that women usually go for the women fragrances, but I go after men fragrance, and therefore I have bought myself, this amazing beautiful kit by the Man's Company. It has come with 1 perfume and 1 deodorant, and trust me guys, it smells savage. It is like so amazing. You can just बाहर से ही smell आ जाती है. And I've got this at a huge discount from Amazon. This is so good guys. Just little bit amount of its deodorant at my armpit, and I'm gonna use few drops of its perfume on my wrist and at the back of my ear. So this is the perfume which I'm gonna use at the back of my ear and here. I am ready for my party. You know, you can embrace this look not only in party, in your Diwali party, in your any other function, or even if you are going to the wedding, then yes, this look is a very go look with it. You can also embrace this makeup look with any other attire. You can, you know, wear a sari or a lehenga or maybe a skirt and a shirt, and you can just use all these products, create, you know, this look, do such makeup and can look beautiful. So who doesn't want beautiful and amazing makeup products, that too at high discount and offer prices? So don't wait, go check out Amazon, check out all the products and grab them for yourself right now. So if you like my natural makeup look, then please do not forget to like this video, and if you like my video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned to my next video. Bye bye. Hey, stay tuned. So one thing which I forgot to mention here is that when you are back from your party and you are about to take off your makeup, then it is very important to wear off your makeup not using water, rather using a micellar water. And I'm gonna use this very beautiful makeup remover pad by Earth Rhythm. Now this is a pack of 2 and I have also put its description in the description box below, and this is again which I have bought from Amazon. I'm gonna use this in order to remove my makeup, because this not only helps my skin to be there and, you know, not to be affected from the harsh water or, you know, from the makeup products, but it also helps in removing my makeup very easily. Can you see? So just using one stroke of it, I've been able to remove almost all of my makeup and my lipstick. So this is the beauty of these pads, you know, these makeup removing pads. So please guys, do not remove your eye makeup, your face makeup through your face wash and water. Use a micellar water and these amazing soft and very cute makeup removing pads, and get off your makeup easily.